First, we need to go to settings. Next, in the settings, we are looking for customization. Now swipe to the right in order to go to the lock screen, and we can tap on the lock screen in order to open it. First, we have the clock. We can swipe to the left in order to see next clock, and of course we can go back by swiping to the right. Unfortunately, we cannot change any color or anything like that. However, we also have a widget over here, so we can tap in order to add a widget. We can also expand the widget area by making the clock much smaller, but providing more space for different widgets. And also we can unfold this list over here, open it almost the full screen in order to find pretty much every widget for the lock screen that is available. So for example, we can go, let's say, quick settings, and I can add a button. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. Now I can choose what should the button do, and perhaps I'm going to choose something like glyph flashlight. There we go. Of course, we can change the position of the widget if we want to. There we go. Let's close this. There is also the option to, of course, change the wallpaper. We can also assign different buttons to the shortcuts, different options. So if you tap over here, you have the list of everything that you can use, and also you can set it to none so that you don't have any button shortcut in the lock screen. And that is pretty much it. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.